PhD, Botany, B.Ed and M.Ed, and M.A. English, and Bhutpur Pravakta and Principal of a college. Now I am teaching to PCS, IAS and the CBSE board intermediate students. Heart of frog is myogenic. It is
हेलो
controlled by muscles.
मुझे बता किस नाम था तेरी नाम तो आ रहा होगा स्पार्क बिना नाम के कर दी तुमने बोल लो तुम
It is controlled by muscles.
हैं रुक जा तुम क्या कर रहे
First of all, the blood goes from pulmonary through to the aperture of auriculoventricular aperture, come into left auricle, then into left ventricle. Then the precable gives the blood, both blood, the pulmonary veins and and this आपका now auricles contract. अब यहाँ आज
ठीक है
auricles contract and it is called systole or systole. Now the blood goes into the ventricle. In ventricle, the ventricle contract, then it is called diastole, and the blood goes through aperture into carotid arch, systemic arch and pulmonary arch, and the blood goes to the throughout the body. अब चलो आगे चलो. Now we see the structure of eyes. Eyes are the main organs of the human. It contains a sclerotic. It is made of conductive tissue. Then choroid. It is second layer. It is made of blood vessels. And third is retina. It is made of pigmented epithelium and rods and cones. It contains a structure called optic nerve that goes to the brain, and here is found blind spot. There is no image formed, and one spot is called yellow spot or fovea centralis. In eyes there is a lens that is biconvex, and it divides the eyes into two parts. First part is aqueous humor, second is vitreous humor. Aqueous humor and vitreous humor helps in formation of image, and the outer portion is cornea, and the outer portion is conjunctiva, and the upper eyelid and lower eyelid, and the main portion is that is called. Now the image is formed. Image is formed on retina, on the structure of yellow spot. It is image. This image is real and is short, and it is inverted. Now we have discussed the eye of the man. Now we proceed to the ear. ये डाल दिया ना. We can see that outer structure is tympanic membrane, and the inner side is tympanic stipes, and the inner side is stipes. It is a bone that helps in hearing, and the another portion is and the other side is internal ear. Outside the internal ear is found perilymph, and on the other side is found endolymph. Now we can see the membranous labyrinth. It is the called internal ear. If we see the internal ear, then we see the canals vertical canals, horizontal canals, and two structures, utriculus and sacculus. And the structure of canals, if we see, that is found ampulla. In ampulla there are found internal cells, they are called Dieter cells and pillar cells. They help in hearing, and the canal helps in the equilibrium. They form the balance of the body, and this internal ears in lagina and the sacculus portion helps in hearing. First of all, the vibration reach into the ear, then it is found in stapes, then it is found in the perilymph, then endolymph, then it is called membranous labyrinth. If you see, बंद कर दो पहला, structure of frog, and it contains two membrane, pura matter, paramatter and dura matter, and third is arachnoid. The structure of brain is located in cranial cavity, and it contains forelimb, foreheart, then middle part, then inner part. The fore part is called cerebral hemisphere. It helps in memory, smell, etc. And the second part is called olfactory lobes. They help in hearing, and their outer structure is called rhinocele. The inner portion of brain is called hindbrain. It is contains cerebral hemisphere and it contains medulla oblongata. The cerebral hemispheres also helps in various actions, and the medulla oblongata helps in involuntary muscles, just like croaking, just like sleep, just like etc. And if they are the called of, there are several cavities of the brain, and brain.